Welcome to our review of the Ninja SP201 Digital Air Fry Pro Countertop Oven. If you're looking for a versatile and space-saving kitchen appliance, stick around as we dive into its key features, pros and cons. This oven is a powerhouse, offering 8 different cooking functions: air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate and keep warm. Perfect for any meal you want to prepare. Despite its compact size, the oven has an extended height and XL capacity, allowing you to fit a 13-inch pizza or 6 chicken breasts with ease. Space saving is a breeze with this oven's unique flip-up feature. When not in use, simply flip it up and away to reclaim valuable counter space. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time, thanks to the precise temperature control and even heating technology. The oven comes with a removable crumb tray, air fry basket, and wire rack, all of which are easy to clean, making your post-cooking cleanup hassle-free. With 8 cooking functions, you're essentially getting several appliances in one, saving you both money and counter space. This oven preheats in just 60 seconds and cooks up to 60% faster than a traditional oven, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. The flip-up feature is a game-changer for those with limited kitchen space, allowing you to tuck it away neatly when not in use. While it can toast up to 9 slices of bread, the toasting results can be inconsistent, especially with multiple slices. The numerous functions can be a bit overwhelming at first, requiring some time to get familiar with all its features. So, if you're in the market for a versatile, space-saving and efficient countertop oven, the Ninja SP201 Digital Air Fry Pro is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews.